Can a dog die from kennel cough? Kennel cough, what is it? It's an infectious bronchitis common in dogs, causing discomfort and persistent coughing. Does it sound serious? Indeed, but usually, it's not life-threatening. Dogs, particularly puppies and seniors, may struggle. Can it kill your dog? Rarely. Though complications like pneumonia can occur, most dogs recover with proper care and medication. So, should you be worried? Absolutely. Early detection and treatment are crucial. Remember, your furry friend counts on you to keep them safe. Schedule a vet visit at the first sign of kennel cough.